you are. Welcome to Unboxing with Booze. Do they mix? Well, we'll see. I recently got 3 boxes in the mail. They were makeup subscription boxes. I've done a review before on an unboxing of BoxyCharm. This week I got the Allure box, I got the Ipsy, and I got a Medusa makeup box. Medusa is something a little bit different. It's cruelty-free, vegan, more of a natural brand. They're kind of an indie brand, but I really like them. So I wanted to do the unboxing, but I thought just unboxing, showing you products, not much fun. How about if I unboxed and applied the makeup? That would be a little more interesting, because when you swatch it on your hand, you don't really get a good idea of what the color looks like once you put it on. It's not the same. And then I thought, you know what would make it even more fun? If I was drinking when I did it, right? It's the opposite of what I normally do. Normally I put my makeup on and then I drink, but this might be more fun. It'll be interesting to see how it comes out. Thank you. So, let's start with the Allure box. The Allure box is $16. Well, for me, it was $16.13. That includes shipping and or tax. I would imagine some states there's no tax, but that's what I paid. So, inside the box for April, I got, all right, never mind that. Well, I got a Luxie brush. Nice, like Luxie brushes. Then I got this. I've used this product before, Vita Liberata. They're tan towels. This I like. This was a goodie. Was happy to see that. And then the makeup. Oh, wait a minute. There's this other thing. The hair stuff. Briogeo Farewell Frizz hair cream. Nice, nice. But the makeup is Anastasia liquid lipstick, which I will be putting on. The Natasha Denona eyeshadow in 24 karat bronzage. This is like a $25. Can you believe this? $25 for one little eyeshadow. A palette of Natasha Denona shadows. It's like $129. No, thank you. I mean, I would love to have it, but that's a lot of money. So that's why I usually end up buying these boxes, because I get a lot of good, expensive makeup that I normally would not buy because it's just too damn expensive. And then Laura Geller Incredible Emerald City Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. This, I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this, because I'm a, black, dark brown eyeliner girl all the way. So let's start with this, and then we'll go on to the next one, the next box. So let's do some eyeshadow first. This Natasha Denona Gold. Usually a gold color. I'll put it on my lower lid. Let me get a brush here. Here's a brush. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Might work better if I have a... Gee, it's pretty. Well, shit, it ought to be for what it costs. Right? That's a whole lot of money right there. It's a nice gold color. Can you see it? It's a nice gold color. Pretty. It's not too flashy. Yeah, that works good for the lashes. Lash line, right in the lower part of my my lid. So, good. Time for another drink. Ooh, delicious. By the way, I'm drinking Crown Royal and Ginger Ale, Diet Ginger Ale, mind you. I don't really drink much. I gotta tell you, I don't drink much because, not that I don't like it. It's fun to drink. However, it's a waste of calories. I would rather have a hot fudge sundae or something, different for those calories. So that's why I usually pass on the, let me wipe the booze off my mouth before I put on some, what is this? Anastasia. I'm starting to feel it already. All right, never mind. No judging, please. Well, this is a pretty color. It's a very pale pink, kind of a nudie pink. Can you see it? Probably blends right in with my skin. But, I don't know, I like it. What the hell happened with my hair? Okay. So then, that's pretty good. I like that. I don't know. What's next? Oh, this. What am I going to do with this eyeliner? I don't know. I already have dark eyeliner on. Maybe I can just kind of put it on in the corner? Oh, you know what? That's a good idea. It brightens up the black. So if I just go right along the edge of the black liner that I already have on, because I did already put on foundation, blush, and mascara, because I knew that everything I had in these boxes were eye and lip for the most part. You know what? I can't believe I'm saying this. I would never pick this color pencil out, and I would probably never use it unless I tried it, and now I like it. I don't know if you can see it because the lights really wash everything out. But this was a fun idea. I like that. I can't believe I'm saying that. All right, Medusa's up next. The Medusa box is $16.95 with shipping and tax for me. Remember, might be different if you're in a different state. And what I got in this is one eyeshadow, which we'll be putting on next. A primer. This Stick It Eye Primer is, I believe this is mostly for eyeshadow that's glittery. A lot of times glittery eyeshadows, you can't get them to stick. You need a primer that makes it stick. So there's that. I got a liquid eyeshadow to try and a lipstick. Ooh, Muddy Water is the color. Yeah, okay. I think that deserves another drink. Let me have another swig here. Oh, it's so good. So good. Did I tell you I was drinking Crown Royal and ginger ale? I think I did. All right, so this is the first up. The eyeshadow is called Tubular. Pretty. Look at this. How pretty is that? It does look a little bright though, doesn't it? I don't care. I'll try it. I don't give a damn. Let me find a brush. There's a brush. All right. Okay. Where am I going to put this now? Put this a little bit above the gold. See if I can get a look at how... Well, it's not as, I thought it was going to be darker. That's what I mean about swatching. You think you're getting one thing, and you end up with something else. Actually, it's a really pretty color. And I never would have thought to put it with gold, but I like it with the gold. It's kind of a greenish blue. I like that. I don't wear a lot of, like a turquoisey color. This shirt doesn't count because it's like jeans. It's a jeans shirt. But I have gotten out of the thinking that I need to match my eyeshadow to my outfits. The clothes and the makeup do not need to match. I just do what I want for that day. So yeah, how's that? I like this color. The nice thing is this, it's like a shimmer. Can you see it's kind of a shimmery color? I remember before when they had shimmer colors, if you put them on your lid and you had texture, forget it. You could see every single crease, every line, every crepe piece section, you know what I'm saying. And that did not work. You had to switch to a matte eyeshadow, but now the formulas have gotten so much better, you can do whatever you want, which is fantastic. So here's Medusa, the Medusa liquid eyeshadow in ginger. Now, ginger, what's the color? You tell me. What does ginger look like? Silver. Huh. Yeah, okay. Maybe I'm crazy. All right. Oh, Lordy. All right. Send in the clouds. Na, na, na. The clown is here. Okay. All right, not bad. It's not the color I was kind of hoping for, a silver color. I've never used a silver color on my eyelids. But this isn't so bad. Just put a little bit over here. They usually tell you to put a little bit of silver or lighter color around your the corner of your eye. So that works there. All right, not bad. Last thing up for Medusa. Muddy Waters. This takes another drink. I know it does. Mm-hmm. Whee! Okay. Muddy Waters. Muddy Waters. What am I going to do with this? Is the circus in town? I might be able to get a job. All right, here we go. You ready? Oh, no. Are you kidding? Oh, no. Should I put it on the top too? I don't know. I think I might have another lip I got to put on. So maybe I'll leave it off so I can put the other. No, it looks crazy. I got to put it on the top now. This is definitely not my color. Honestly, I don't know. Anybody who would pick this color out? Oh, I know. Lily Munster. Lily Munster would love this. Oh, God. It's definitely a matte color. And it covers well. Sometimes I wear like a nude color, and if I line my lips and I put the nude color on, you can see the liner, you know, the lip liner around the outside. But a color like this you could put on, and you would not even be able to see the liner because it's pretty opaque. Oh, boy. So that's Medusa. Yeah, that was the Medusa box. All right, last one up is Ipsy. Love this little bag. Look how cute this bag, how summery this bag is. So cute. Here's a mascara. I'm already wearing mascara. It's a Buxom mascara, which is a pretty good mascara. Oh, lip stain. Darn. Eyeliner. Eyeshadow. I don't know if I got any room left for eyeshadow on my eyelid, but I'll give it a try. So I got to tell you this story. I let the dogs out the other night. Oh, this is a pretty color for eyeshadow. That's a pretty color eyeshadow. All right. So the other night, I had my daughter's dog, and the last thing is a serum in a tube. It's like a sample size of serum. So I let the dogs out. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. The dogs are crying. They got to go to the bathroom, so I let them out. So I go outside, and before I let them out, I always go out with a flashlight and I look around because a lot of times animals come in the yard, and the yard is fenced. The yard's purposely fenced, but they still come in. I don't know why. Hang on, I need a drink. What did you say? Replacement? No, refresh. Refresh the drink. Yes. You're so smart. Did you hear that voice? I heard it. All right, I don't need a whole lot. This is straight now. All the ginger ale's gone. Here we go. All right. Okay, shut up now. No, you shut up. Shut up. So, where am I at? So the dogs, I had to let them out in the middle of the night. Well, 1 o'clock in the morning, that's the middle of the night to me. They had to go to the bathroom. I go out there first to make sure there's nothing in the yard. And I hear this sound. It sounds like a pterodactyl. A screeching sound. Ah! 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 What is it? I'm looking around. I don't see anything. It's a little distance away, so I can't see what it could possibly be, but it was scary. It was obviously an animal in some kind of distress. What? I don't know. I could not even imagine, and I don't think I want to know. So I had my daughter's dog and my dog. My dog is little. My dog is a Jack Russell Terrier, and her dog is a little bit bigger. Her dog's about 25 pounds. She's a mixed breed. So because her dog is bigger, I let her dog out first. See what happens, right? My dog is a little Jack Russell Terrier, and she looks probably to another animal. I'm thinking she looks probably pretty delicious. So I'm going to let the big dog go out first. I hope she don't get mad at me because I did that, my daughter. So anyway, I did that, and then there was nothing around, so I let the other one out. And they started barking, and then the noise stopped. Honest to God, sometimes I feel like I'm living in the Amazon around here. What do you think about this color? This color's all right. Actually, it's kind of a purpley pink. It's very purpley. Not what I was expecting. All right. Cool. What? Okay. Whoa. That's the dog. This pencil. I'm dying to try this pencil. Be quiet, please. Pole of Honor, Intense Cajole, no, 01 Blackout. This, let me show you the box. It's a very small box, and I've never heard of this brand. Look at that box. Isn't that interesting? That, artistry. What is that? You know, just very cool. So this, I'm going to give this a try because I love a good eyeliner pencil. And this goes on beautifully. It's very soft. Ooh, soft as can be. I like it. So what do you guys watch? Tell me about the shows that are binge-worthy nowadays. It seems like the only time I find out about a good show that's binge-worthy is from someone else. If my makeup is starting to look a little sloppy, well, I think I have a good reason. So I started about a year or so ago, I started watching The Good Wife. I heard someone talk about it. I never even heard of it, The Good Wife. So I binge watched it. Obviously, by that time, the show was already done for. It was over. It was canceled. But I didn't know. So I watched it. I watched the whole season, and gosh, no time flat. So then that went off the air, and then they made a spin-off of it called The Good Fight. I don't know if any of you have been watching that or not, but The Good Fight is a show that spin off a lot of the characters, and they're on season 3 now on CBS All Access. You can only get it on All Access. I'm really getting into it, but the one thing I gotta say about it I don't like is the political stuff. I don't like seeing almost every episode is the political stuff. Political. That I can do without. But other than that, it's a really good show. And slowly they're incorporating more and more characters into the show that we're in, The Good Wife, which I like. And the one I'm waiting for, still waiting, they're going to bring him in, I know they are, is Eli Gold. In case you watched The Good Wife, he was one of my favorites, Eli Gold. Oh, I don't know about this. This is a lip stain. All right. Not what I thought. Well, better than I thought it was going to be. It's the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain. What does that say? Look at this. How cute is this packaging? I can't really quite see what it says on there. Underneath where her mouth is. Maybe you can make it out. Oh, salud. Ah, salud. Salud. Okay. Ooh, wee. Okay. So this is what I have. This is it. That was the last item. How do I look? Not too bad. I think it was more fun when I had muddy water on. Let me put muddy water on. Oh, you know what? You guys can't tell because of the lights, but this is a really dark color, and I went way off the edge on my lip over there. So let me fix that. Okay, so now I think I should take my drunken ass to the couch because the circus is calling me. I will see you on the next one. Leave comments. If you have something to say about this, I think you should leave a comment and tell me if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you have any suggestions, you wanted to see me do something else with, while I'm drinking, like maybe operate a chainsaw or something, who knows? So leave a comment. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share it if you got somebody you think needs a laugh. Fabulous. I'll see you next time. And what do I always say? Let me think. Oh, yeah. In this life, you get what you give. So give love. See ya. Bye.